You want to hear a story where you can learn Spanish, laugh, have fun? Listen to this, and I will say it in Spanish later, so stay tuned in the next minute. I had a friend that he was crazy, but guess what? I was crazy, very crazy too. So we both had a lot of fun. We laughed. Our his mom and my mom looked at us, and we were just laughing sometimes about nothing or the silliest things. And they didn't know. They always said, "You're crazy. You're always laughing." We just had so much fun, and we never did drugs together. We were just laughing because we had great friendship. And one day, he and I decided to put all sorts of shirts around our heads and our bodies, and went to town and started to speak like we were from a different culture. And that was not common in our town. Mostly we're locals. And whenever people talk to us or we talk to them, we spoke in the figurative other language, but we were just bubbling different sounds. And we were crazy and we loved it. We did that just one time in Spanish. Cuando yo era joven tenía un amigo que estaba muy loco, pero yo también estaba muy loco. Y una vez nos pusimos trapos en la cabeza y camisas y ropa de todos colores y todo. Y empezamos a hablar como que estuviéramos hablando en otro idioma, pero no estábamos diciendo nada, eran puras charlatanería, hablar de diferentes temas, no temas, pero solo sonidos raros y no decíamos nada a los demás ni a nosotros, pero nos reímos mucho y fue algo fue una experiencia que la verdad siento que fue, nunca quise como ofender a nadie, pero era algo que hicimos para reírnos y recuerdo con cariño muchas experiencias así. Entonces nos reíamos mucho y la mamá de él y mi mamá nos decían que estábamos locos porque decíamos, siempre nos reíamos, a veces por ninguna razón, solo que nos llevábamos muy bien y teníamos una excelente amistad. Y probablemente voy a compartir, I'm gonna share this video with my friend so that he can take a laugh again about the experience. Ok, gracias. Bye.